Well, I'm making s'mores again tonight. So I line my toaster pan with non-stick tin foil. One Hershey Mini, one marshmallow. You know, you get the idea. So we're going to go to the toaster oven and set this on broil. Right, pop this thing in. Oh, I see something. I don't want that to cook. Some crumbs in there. Okay, so all the way to broil, bake, and I would say like not even 10 minutes. You're just going to keep watching it until those marshmallows turn golden brown. Don't leave, because you don't want to burn your marshmallows. And that's pretty much how it is. It's pretty good. Bon appetit.